Now that your event has subject and group galleries, we'll show you how to use our SortMagic mobile app during your shoot to automatically match your photos to their correct galleries. Unlike other systems that rely on photographing QR codes for sorting, SortMagic is a time-based system, which means blurred, crumpled, or shadowed QR codes that ruin the sorting process are a thing of the past. First, let's select your event from the top menu. Second, select the camera you are using. If you're working with multiple photographers at the same event, they will simply select their camera on their app at their station. Then, for the rest of your shoot, as each subject or group comes to be photographed, you click the third menu, tap on their name, and when they are posed and ready, you click the large blue Start Shoot button, and then photograph as normal. Don't worry, you are not being timed and there is nothing to turn off. Simply repeat the process for each subject or group. You may even photograph the same subject multiple times using the same process. Every time you click the Start Shoot button, a time marker is stored in the app and is uploaded to our server when you have internet access. These time markers allow us to sort your images by comparing them to your image times. Let's cover some other features of the SortMagic mobile app. 1. Search. Finding a subject is as easy as typing 2 or 3 letters of their first or last name. You can find siblings by searching for the last name. If subjects are coming to be shot by class or team, then you can find all group members by searching the group name. You will also notice that after you select and photograph someone, when you return, the shortened group list is still in place, saving you from having to search again. 2. QR code scanning. If you prefer, before the event you can download and print QR code sheets to bring with you and then hand them out to the subjects. During the shoot, instead of searching for the subject, use the mobile app's built-in QR scanner to find each subject's gallery automatically. Then let the subject keep the QR code sheet or take a picture of it with their mobile to avoid losing it. The QR code sheet contains their password and allows them to access their images directly by also scanning the QR. This is another strategy to distribute access and passwords when your client cannot provide parents' information. 3. Manual gallery creation. Inevitably, a subject will appear who does not have a gallery already associated with them because they are a new student or their parents forgot to pre-register them. In this case, you can simply click the small plus button next to the gallery menu and add a new gallery. If they can give you their parents' info, then we can record this as well. In a future release, you will also be able to assign them to their group. A link to complete instructions for downloading and using the mobile app can be found in the footer of our website.